Convert generator object to list for debugging. When I'm debugging in Python using IPython, I sometimes hit a breakpoint and I want to examine a variable that is currently a generator. The simplest way I can think of doing this is converting it to a list, but I'm not clear on what's an easy way of doing this in one line in IP, since I'm so new to Python.
Simply call list on the generator. Be aware that this affects the generator, which will not return any further items. You also cannot directly call list in IPython, as it conflicts with the command for listing lines of code. Test it on this file. Which when run. General method for escaping functions /variable /debugger name conflicts. There are debugger commands p and pp that will print and pretty print any expression following them. So you could use it as follows. There is also an exec command, called by prefixing your expression with, which forces debugger to take your expression as Python 1. For more details see help p, help pp and help exec when in debugger.